YouTube. It's your boy Noodles checking in, man. I'm back with another banger, man. Today we're gonna be doing something different. Today it's gonna be sliding every corner we turn. You know what I'm saying? Let me get my baby ready real quick. We sliding every corner we turn, bro. You feel me? Slide in every corner, my dog. One of my guys recommended this, so shit, I'm about to go ahead and get it done real quick. Fuck it. Let's start off the first slide right here, bro. Oh shit. God damn. That was alright. I'm still learning how to hit these corners and shit, man. Let me try to hit this one real quick. Oh my God. We hit that one. We hit that one. I ain't gonna make it too long, y'all. Got people staring. Give them something to stare about. Can we hit this one, y'all? Can we hit it? Oh shit. God damn, y'all. God damn. God damn, we about to crash out for the video, bruh. God damn, I need to chill out, bruh. Hit another one and fuck it. God damn, I'm sliding so hard, bro. Bruh. I can't make this shit up, y'all. I am sliding OD hard right now. It's gonna be a banger, bruh. Uh-oh, I see the sheriffs. Let me go ahead and get low real quick. Get low. Yeah, man, I hope y'all doing good, bro. I had to come out with this type of banger for y'all, man. I know y'all gonna like this one. But I literally just about crashed out. Hold on, I'm about to put my seatbelt on, y'all. 1 second. At this stop sign, I'm gonna put my seatbelt on for y'all. Y'all be like, bro, I'm tired of the clicking. I got you, I got you. I got you, I got you, I got you, I got you, my boy. Seatbelt getting put on right now. Why the fuck is my brakes squeaking like that, bro? I've been too hard on my brakes. I think I've been too hard on my brakes, y'all. Here we go, here goes another slide. Little kids lit. Hey, I just slid that bitch though. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, I'm sliding this bitch, man. I am sliding this bitch, man. I don't care, bro. Like, it's good enough for me, bro. And I'm in the hood with it. We finna slide this bitch right now. God damn, Brody. Oh my God. All the kids coming, kids. Gotta watch the kids. Gotta watch the kids. Gotta to watch the kids, y'all. We in the school zone now. Yeah. You know what's going on, little bro. Hey, this shit fun as a bitch, bro. I don't really know how to really counter steer like that. I'm still learning. I ain't had this car long. So, like, it's hard as fuck for me, for real. I'm trying to do everything the right way. We still on the block, though, yo. I'm finna hit this one, too. Told you, every corner. I ain't slide that one. What the fuck? I'm supposed to slide that bitch. Fuck, I don't even know who that is, but my mother just beeping at me, bro. slide this. Hey, this my hood though, y'all. Gonna slide this bitch for y'all. Oh my god, bro. About to hit a fucking car, bro. This is dangerous, bro. This is dangerous. Like dead eyes, bro. No faking. No faking. I told you, y'all probably thought I was playing about this hitting every corner shit, nigga. I ain't playing. I'm hitting every corner. Look, here go another one. I'm really finna spin this bitch for y'all. I'm about to try to get a good angle for y'all. Let me spin it. God damn, bro. Oh my god, bro. I'm back, y'all, man. My fucking phone ran out of storage, so I had to delete some shit. But hey, I ain't stopping shit. I told you we spinning every corner, bro, and I meant that shit, bro. Here we go. Damn, my scary ass, bro. I ain't even get to hit that one. But I can't make it that long, y'all. I'm running out of storage on my phone. I'm about to get some more, though. Can I hit this one? Oh, my God. I know y'all heard that. Oh, my God. Once I learn how to really canister this bitch and really, like, let it swing and catch itself and trust it, I'll be good, y'all. I'll be more than good. Try to swing it. Oh my god. Should I go in here real quick and try to do a donut for y'all real quick and get up out of here? I don't know if I should or not. I don't think I should, for real. I'm gonna have to turn the traction off real quick. Out of here ASAP, because I don't want the boys to be saying that. You feel me? We're gonna try something, bro. Oh, it's glass right here. We're gonna see what we can do real quick, y'all. On the quick side, traction off. Slapping the manual. Slapping in second. Let's see what we can do real quick, man. I didn't even spin it, bro. I didn't even spin my bitch, bro. I'm pissed. I gotta spin it, y'all. I gotta burn out a little bit, that way. I gotta get something for y'all real quick. Footage might not be great, but I gotta get something. Tried though. Hey, this the sound of that shit be so lit though. I ain't gonna cut. Oh, they got the boys right there, bro. Hopefully they don't say nothing. Look at the boys, yo. They right there. They didn't even see me. Ooh. Something told me to stop, bro. Something told me to stop, bro. They would have flicked me. Hey, so if they do catch you doing burnouts, what they gonna do? They gonna like give you a fat ass fine, like take it, like what they gonna do for burnouts? Do y'all know? Let me get this bitch out of there real quick. Maybe we're gonna hit this corner real quick. I know that much. Oh my god. But yeah, I ain't gonna be on here too long. I'm gonna wrap it up for y'all. I'm gonna do a couple more corners. This is something one of my homies wanted me to do and shit. I'm not. When I get good at it, I'm gonna really show y'all my shit. Ooh, we hit a can. Can I hit this one, y'all? Let me see if I can hit it real quick. about this one. Hey, like I said, man, I'm still learning, bro. Don't be clowning me, man. Like I said, I'm gonna come back with another banger like this soon, bro. I'm finna end this bitch though, man. I appreciate y'all watching. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. It's your boy Sav. It's your boy Noodles. We gone.